You want me to get out and push us?
Sure. Tell them what happened. Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Do you know what time it is? It's time to go test this boat out on the water. Let's get started. So we are headed to Lake Linville, which is in what county? Rockcastle County, Kentucky. I'm not good with counties. So Lake Linville is just a small lake, close-ish to us, about maybe an hour drive. So we're just going to drive down there and plop it in the water and see what happens. Make sure it don't sink. Alright guys, as you can see, we have an empty boat trailer, so we made it in the water.
It quit?
Yep. I bet I know what it's doing.
What?
When it gets up high like that, all the gas is running to the back of the boat. And it's running out of gas.
So we probably don't need to do that then, do we?
No.
Why didn't we fill it up?
I didn't think about it.
You should never go out on the lake with a low tank of gas. How many miles are we to empty? Can't we holler at these people and ask them if we can borrow some gas?
Sure. What happened?
The reverse cable. No, the cable broke. What cable was this? Didn't you just fix that?
No, that was a different.
Oh. Yep. So it only gone reverse. And it broke while I was going in reverse, and we were going around and around and around. Fun times. We're almost there. You want me to get out and push us? You might want to or paddle to the left a little.
Huh?
You might want to paddle to the left a little.
Well, I'm trying to get it right up in there so we can float over into the dock.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to be a backseat paddler, because I'm really good at giving orders.
Yes, you are.
You're not holding your arms straight enough. Just kidding. See that orange stuff up there? That's what made me think it was shredded cheese. I mean, not think it was shredded cheese, but that was my first thought. Do you see it?
All right. Well, that was an experience. So we got a few things we got to do. Number one, I might have to put a shift cable on it, the one that goes through the transom and into the drive. I didn't want to have to take that drive off, but I'm going to have to. It came loose and all we stuck in reverse. That's all we had was reverse. So we reversed it as far as we could, and then paddled the rest of the way. But that was not fun. I don't want to do that again.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah.
No, don't want to do that again.
The other thing is the thing steers terrible. It's just all over the place. You can't hold it in a straight line, so I gotta do a little research to see what that is. So I couldn't get it up on plane and get it up fast enough to run it out. So I'm not sure what the deal was there. I gotta work on that.
And I broke a nail.
And the third thing was it had a little bit of gas in it, but not enough. And when we would put it out and it wouldn't get up on plane, it was, the front end was sitting up in the air and all the gas ran to the back of the tank and it started spitting and sputtering. So lesson learned on that. Next time we got to make sure we got plenty of gas. So that's going to do it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. It was interesting. First time we've ever put a boat in the water. And on the first try we got stranded, and on the first try we had to pull the boat onto the ramp with no motor. So luckily there was a guy there that helped us, so that was good. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one when we do a few more things to the boat. Thank you guys. See ya.